Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen that crude is trading at a level of $76.40. Okay, there is a continuous downfall we have seen. As you can see, there is a doji candle has formed at a level of around 94. Okay, and making a half around $95.78, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, why? Because there is a profit booking has come at that particular level. If we go beyond and if you look at after pandemic, what we have seen, it has made a half around $129. After that, there is a continuous fall for the sixth time. Okay, this is the pattern is created. What it was showing that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming, and this fall is sharp, and after it form a swing, that is where it is trying to go upside for the second time. This has formed for the fifth time. Okay, and sixth time it didn't form because of the war situation we have seen in between Ukraine and Russia. After that, there is a continuous downfall, and we have not seen that the price of crude has moved to that level. Okay, now if we go beyond and explain you where the price of crude can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now the price has moved out of $77, which is a strong support. I have already explained you that these three are very strong support. Now the price has moved out of that particular zone, so chances can be high, we can see it can go further low. Okay, and there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and this clear pattern forming, there is a higher chances that it can move below a level of $66, and if it started going below that level, a further fall we can see, and it can go below a level of $60 also, what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, but if the price started sustaining above a level of $83 again, then a further upside movement we can see. So understand, as soon as the price move below a level of 73, a further fall we can see. Okay, but if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 83, a further upside we can see. So the range is this particular zone. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high that it cannot sustain because it has already moved out of a strong support. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go further low, and a probability of touching a level of 74.81 is there. Okay, this 74.81 is already being a strong support also. So once the price started falling below that particular level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $73.59. But if it bounce back, then a level of around 75 we can see will act as a strong resistance. So suppose if the price fall below that particular level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 72.58, and from there a level of around 70 point started falling below a level of 75, then a probability is high that we can see it can go further low. Okay, understand something, as soon as, because there is a clear pattern forming, if the price started falling below a level of 74.81, that we can see it will fall below a level of 73.5, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 69.7. okay, if started falling below that particular zone, we can see it will go towards a level of around $68. $68 is already being a strong support. Keep that in mind, that once the price started falling below 73.5, chances are high it will move below a level of around $70, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of $68. And if the price fall below $68, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 65.56 to a level of 63.96. okay, and if start fall below that level, a further downfall we can see in the price of crude. You have to understand there is a clear pattern forming, so chances are high that if started going below a level of 68, a further downfall we can see, or if it bounce back, then we can see a further high that it has turned that particular zone, and a bounce back we can see in the price of crude. But understand something, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will move as per you, no, it will not. So always try to set your SL. Okay, and always try to trail your SL. These two things you have to do. Okay, setting your SL will save your capital, and trailing your SL will save your profit. These two things. Okay, so it will help you in the long run if you do that thing. Otherwise, see, suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, what we can see, suppose it form a swing at this particular level, we can see it will touch a level of around $78.82. Okay, So once started going above level of 77, which is a strong support, a strong resistance, so chances are high that once going above that level we can see a level of 78.82, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of around $80.58. Okay, and once it started going above 80.85, then at level of around 83.28 we can see, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it will touch a level of around 85. 85 is a strong resistance, keep it in mind. So we can see it will move further high and can go towards a level of around $87.5. Okay, and once the price started going above 87.5, a further upside we can see towards a level of $89.5, and from there, because there will be a clear pattern forming, as you can see looking at this particular chart, so chances are high that once start going above level of 83, a further upside we can see, and it can touch a level of around $89 after crossing a level of 85, and from there to a level of 92. Okay, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $94.92 we can see, and then a further upside movement we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.